This is called 6 Minute Smoke by Maddox Fireworks.
Okay.
And yeah, and it looks like this might be white. So we're gonna find out which color this is. You wanna guess what color it is?
No.
You sure?
No.
I'm gonna assume it's white.
Yeah.
Do you know why?
Why?
Because that's white. So yeah, this is 6 Minute Smoke Stick by Maddox Fireworks. We're gonna go ahead and light this up and see how long it really lasts and see if it's actually white or not.
Yeah.
So yeah.
I think it's blue.
You think it's blue?
Yeah.
Let's go see.
Yeah.
Here goes 6 Minute Smoke by Maddox Fireworks.
What color is it? I don't know.
White.
Ooh, white. Run!
See how long this thing really lasts.
You hate smoke, Taylor. I know, I do.
I would rather you not do that. You're gonna inhale it.
I can't even see. This is fun.
You know, I've heard stories of people passing out if they've been in fireworks smoke for a long time. Just so you know.
Okay. Yeah.
Try not to get too close to it, please.
Okay. Right over here. Over here. I think this is really
Hanging around.
There's a lot of smoke. Smoke.
Yeah, I'm gonna be honest. Since it was a little heavy, I didn't think it was gonna last even longer than this. I was expecting it to be mostly clay, but wow, it's lasting a long time. Lana,
What?
try not to get too close to it, please.
Okay.
I don't know if it's spitting or not.
It's not.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it's not. Yeah, it is a little bit. I can see some black specks.
Julian, look, ready?
Careful, there's rocks out here.
I know. Julian, look, you ready?
Nice.
This is a long time.
Yeah,
I've never seen a smoke bomb that goes this long.
it's called 6 Minute Smoke. It's supposed to go for 6 minutes.
Do you think there's like a 15-minute one? Or at least
There's bigger ones out there, I know that, but I don't think you can get them. I don't know if you can find them that easy. What are you doing?
It keeps trying to get away from me. Oh, that was kind of cool.
It's getting windy. Kaylin, try not to get too close to it, please. You're too close to it. I seen it spitting earlier. Yeah, that thing lasts a really long time.
This is
I have no idea why my phone stopped recording, but it's still going. You lost your shoe.
I know. Ready, set, voila!
So we just lost about a good minute and a half of performance here. My phone quit recording, but it's still going.
Yeah, it's been going for about like 3 minutes.
Maybe 4.
Yeah, probably
I don't remember.
3 or 4.
I'll just record how much. I'll just write down how much time it was, and then add like a minute and a half average, and see how long it was.
Oh my goodness! Oh!
Whoa!
Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! This is cool. This is really, really cool.
It fell over.
Whoa! No, don't touch it. I like it that way. Okay, Lonnie, you ready? I'm gonna go. Okay, ready, set, go! Oh look! Julian, look! It's like curving over the wall.
Yep.
Okay, go!
Yep. Now it's really going.
Yeah, it's really going now that I tipped over. I think that was just like a sign or something.
A sign of what?
I don't know. Hey guys! Watch this. But this is going really good so far.
I think it's almost done.
Yeah, me too.
Maybe not.
Watch out!
Wow.
This is a
I have never ever had a smoke bomb last this long. This is crazy.
Amazing. Where were those at the? Did you get?
I had this 5-minute smoke bomb one, and it only lasted like 2 minutes. This is really long.
Longer than 1 or 2.
Get back, please.
It's like so much fun. Ready? Introducing the beautiful Thailand and see the beautiful water.
Don't jump over it. You're gonna burn yourself. Wow, that's hot. That was a bad idea.
Yeah. Why did you do that, Julian?
Look, it's smoking through the side there.
Yeah. Okay. Introducing the beautiful water. Woo! I think it's almost done.
Yeah, it's dying. Wow. Ah!
That was a really long time.
That does not smell like regular smoke. It's different.
My throat feels weird because of the smoke. Hey Julian, should I run up the hill?
Huh?
Should I run up the hill?
I would rather you not. There's a bunch of rocks up there. You could probably trip over one.
I'm doing it. I'm at least walking.
Well, that was 6-minute smoke by Maddox Fireworks, and the label is literally melting because it's so hot. I mean, look, it's smoking through the side because it's so hot. So yeah, that was a lot longer than I thought it would be, even though it says 6-minute smoke. I don't think it was quite 6 minutes, but it definitely lasted a really long time. So that's pretty impressive. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time with another video.